Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Abaaro?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, kiddo. Where is your voice gone? Tomorrow is Eid, eh? You are not happy. Is your Eid tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it is Eid tomorrow.
That's great. So you prepare for that, right? Jazakallah. Okay, can you see the screen right now?
Yes.
We are just going to have a bit short lesson today. Okay, actually, I just need to leave somewhere. Okay,
Okay.
and this is why I just ask you to have the lesson early. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
And you're going to start reading from that one. Auzubillah Bismillah first.
Hmm?
Read Auzubillahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Hmm. Bismillah.
بسم الله.
You know that, Abaaro?
Hmm?
You know Auzubillah Bismillah, right?
Yeah.
Then read it. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yes, Abaaro forgot everything. Alright, now you're reading this one. What's that?
Zay,
Hmm.
Dama,
Hmm.
Zu,
Very good. And then?
Za, Ra,
Yes, Ra.
Kasra,
Hmm.
Ri,
Yes, together.
Zuri,
Zuri.
Zuri.
And then?
A, Fatha,
Ain in it. Ain.
oh, Ain,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm. Yes, together.
Zuriya,
Zuri'a.
Zuriya.
Next.
Wow,
Hmm.
Wa,
Yes, together.
Zuriawa,
Perfect. And then?
Ha,
Hmm.
Dama,
Hmm.
Hu,
Together.
Zuriawahu, no, Zuriawahu,
Next.
Sod,
Hmm.
Kasra, Ki,
Sod kasra.
Ki,
C. Sod
Si,
kasra. C.
okay,
Say.
Si,
Together.
Zuriawa, Zuriawahuki,
Are you saying key or C?
oh, Zuriawahuki, no, Zuriawahu,
Hmm.
Zuriawahuki,
It's not key, kiddo. Look at that. You know A, B, C. You know in English A, B, C.
yeah,
So that's C. Simple. Zuri, Awa, C.
Zuriawahusi,
And then?
Dal,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
Da,
Together.
Zuriawahusida,
Very nice. Say one more time.
see that.
Very good. This one now.
Lam,
Hmm.
Dama,
Hmm.
Lu,
Next.
Ba,
Hmm.
Kasra,
Hmm.
B,
Yes, together.
Lubi,
Lubi.
Lubi,
Next.
Sin,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
Sa,
Yes, together.
Lubisa,
Lubisa. Next.
Wow,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
Wa,
Together.
Lubisawa,
Next.
Ha,
Hmm.
Ra, Dama,
Hmm.
Hu,
Yes, together.
Lubisawa, Hu,
Perfect. And then.
Lam,
Hmm.
Kasra,
Hmm.
Li,
Okay, together.
Lubisawa, Lubisawa, Hu, Lubisawa, Huli,
Wahuli.
Wahuli,
And then.
Ain,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
A,
Yes, together.
Lubisawa, Hulia,
Perfect. This one now.
Ba,
Hmm.
Dama,
Hmm.
Bu,
Yes.
Ta,
Hmm.
Kasra,
Hmm.
T,
Yes, together.
Booty,
Booty. And then.
Ra,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
Ra,
Together.
Butiwa,
Booty raw. And then.
Wow,
Hmm.
Fatha, La,
Together.
Butirawa,
Next.
Wow, Dama,
Hmm.
Wu,
Together.
Butirawu,
Booty raw wavu.
no, Butira,
Booty raw wavu. Iswa and wu. Wavu. Booty raw wavu.
Butirawaru,
Next.
Sod,
Hmm.
Kasra,
Hmm.
Si,
Yes, together.
Butira, Butirawari, Butira,
Hmm. Booty raw wavu si.
Butirawawusi,
And last one.
Lam,
Hmm.
Fatha,
Hmm.
La,
Yes, together.
Butirawawu, Butirawawusila.
I love that, kiddo. Clapping for this, okay, but still we have to practice for that two lines, okay. You're telling me that next two rows in the next class, okay, but not on page number 22. You're not going to repeat that two lines on page number 22. You're going to repeat those two lines on page number 26, okay.
Okay.
The same lines coming on page number 26 also. Why? Because harakat are very important lesson, okay. You know harakat are fatha, kasra and dhamma, right? For now we are starting page number 23. Short vowels harakat review. They are telling you again about the harakat. Why? Because understand that, okay? It's most, and you can say like the whole Quran, this is standing on that, in my words, okay? If you know Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma proper, you can read the rest of the things very easily, okay? But if you're getting confused on that, then the next things are becoming hard for you, okay? So this why you have to know the Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma and their sounds proper, okay? What is the sound for Fatha?
A.
A sound. What is the sound for Kasra?
E.
E sound, okay? They are telling you Kasra is pronounced by dropping the lower jaw. Jaw is like you can say the mouth, okay? Like the lower teeth side is called the jaw, okay? So, Fatha is pronounced by separating the two jaws and opening the mouth, okay? Okay? And Kasra is dropping the jaw, E. And Dhamma, like the word E, okay? Dhamma is pronounced by rounding the two lips completely, okay? Like O, okay? But it's going to be completely rounded, okay? Like oo. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Now, in the next class, you are going to tell me that. What is it? Hamza Fatha? A. Hamza Fatha? A. Hamza Kasra? E. And Hamza Dhamma? U. How do you pronounce that together? I, E, U. How do you say together? I, E, U. Do not say like that. A, E, U. Like usually teacher are teaching with this way. A, E, U. That's wrong style. Okay, why? Because we don't need to say the harakat short. I mean, like we don't need to read the harakat slow. How do we read harakat? Quick and short, right? So do not read slow and long on that. Like e, u. It's wrong. We have to say quick. I, e, u. And short. I, e, u. I, e, u. A, e, u. Like that. A, e, u. Make that quick. I, e, u. Same on it. Babibu. Tatitu. Sasisu. Jajiju. Hahihu. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Can you try that first one? Hamza Fatah,
A.
Hamza Kasra,
E.
Hamza Damma.
U.
Can you make it together?
I. E. U.
Ayu,
I. E. U.
I, like I, Ayu.
I. E. U.
This one now.
A.
Hmm,
Fatha.
hmm.
Ba.
Next.
Ba.
Hmm,
Kasra. B.
next.
Ba. Dama.
Hmm. Together.
Babibu.
Quick,
Babibu.
quick. Like Babibu,
Babibu.
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 Can you say this?
Ta.
Hmm,
Fatha.
hmm,
Ha.
hmm,
Ha.
hmm,
Kasra.
hmm.
T.
And,
Ta.
hmm,
Dama.
hmm.
Two.
Together.
Tatitu.
Quick. 32.
Tatitu.
This one.
Sa.
Hmm,
Fatha.
hmm.
Sa.
Okay.
Sa.
Hmm,
Kasra.
hmm.
Si.
Next.
Sa. Dama. soup.
Together.
Sassy soup.
Quick.
Sassy soup.
More quick.
Sassy soup.
More quick.
Sassy soup.
More quick.
Sassy soup.
Ah, it's fun. Okay, it's a game if you're going to play with that. Okay. Sasi tu. Say that slow. Sa si su. Make it normal. Sa si su. Make that fast. Sa si su. Make that more fast. Sa si su. Okay, it's just like the game. Okay, that's why they are saying exercise. Okay. So play it with your own way. Okay, as you want. This one now. Jim Fatha.
Ja.
Next.
Jim. Kasra. G.
Hmm.
Jim. Jama. Ju.
Yes, together.
Jajiju.
Arey, no. Quick.
Jajiju.
Quick.
Jajiju.
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 Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, two more words we are saying and then we will stop it today. Read this.
Ha.
Hmm.
Fatha.
Hmm.
Ha.
Hmm.
Ha.
Hmm.
Kasra.
Hmm.
He.
Hmm.
Ha. Dama. Hu.
Together.
Hahihu.
Very nice. This one.
Kha.
Hmm.
Fatha.
Hmm.
Ha.
Kho. Heavy. Kho.
Kha.
Hmm.
Kha. Kha. Kasra. Khi.
Hmm.
Kha. Dama. Hu.
Together.
Kha. Khahihu.
Quick. Khakihu.
Khahihu.
Khakihu.
Kha.
Khaki.
Khahihu.
Khakihu. Yes. Khakihu. 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 Khakihu.
Khahihu.
That's a nice tongue twister, okay? Khakihu.
Khahihu.
You have to do the practice for that one especially, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
Nothing new in that, but it's a new style of exercising now, okay? That's the same thing that you already learn about the Fatha Kaswandama. That same here, but in a new way, okay? So just practice that page. I'm going to send you. I'm sending you page number 23 and page number 24 we are going to start in the next class, okay?
Okay.
And your next class is going to be on next Friday, or if you are available on Wednesday or Thursday, so you can contact me. Can I talk to your mom?
Okay. Okay.
Jazakallah beta.